Perfect. Dancing queen.
How many minutes? And sita sa Dubai ni Miss Julia Barreto. Oh. Yeah. And second time naman po na bumisita sa Dubai ni Mr. MJ. Yeah. So simulan na natin.
You know what? The preparation, I think more than the preparation was the I came here for. It's you guys that I came here for. So iba yung init. Pero sanay tayo sa init.
Speaking of init, kamusta po yung init ng pagtanggap ng Filipino community sa iyo?
It's the being free. Yeah, it is really like nowadays kasi nagagawa na natin yung gusto natin at hindi na tayo masyadong nadja-justify, diba? So that alone is, I think, yun yung kalayaan for me. Like, we can be ourselves, we can do whatever we want. Yun, for me.
Yeah, ako, I'll just have to agree with MJ. I think yung freedom natin ngayon na mas, ngayon may confidence na tayo sa mga sarili natin. We trust our instincts these days more, and we work hard. Matyaga ang Pilipino at gagawa ng paraan yan because
Sharon, hi! Welcome to Dubai.
Thank you. Here in Dubai, and this is our first interview.
Sa 3D view, nag-paint ka dun sa yung nandun yung father.
Question.
As ay talagang bonggang-bongga ang ibibigay nila sa atin.
Kami nag-aabang nga dito.
Sorry.